Here's some instructions on how to open the safe door with a combination lock. Our combination here is 75, 49, and 66. All right, basically we're going to turn the dial to the left 4 times. Doesn't really matter where you start from. And you're going to land on the first number, which is 75. Now you're going to turn the dial to the right a total of 3 turns. You're going to land on 49 on the 3rd spin. So here's 1, 2, 3. We landed on the 3rd spin. Now we're going to land on this, the last number, which is 66. Total of 2 spins. We're going to pass it once here, once, twice. And then you turn the dial to the right, and it should unlatch the bolt and open the safe door.